Good morning to the best family on YouTube. Welcome to the vlog, guys. I'm in Los Angeles, about to go meet up with Rhett and Link and suck them both off. I'm gonna suck them off on this vlog. So stay tuned, because I'm gonna put their penis in my mouth. Whew, thought it was my dad for a second. Guys, I'm here with Josh right now. Josh Shearer, he just passed along his cookbook to me. Now, I can't tell you all about it because there's spoilers, but I'm on a show with two guys and they want me to not tell it until the show comes out, Rhett and Link. But he deep fried some shit that us on Epic Mealtime have tried to deep fry many times before. And I had to let him know that I wanted to shake his hand on video saying, impressive, very impressive work. And guys, he sent along his methods and stuff. What was it? It was dry ice?
Dry ice. I thought this was a photo, by the way. I didn't know this was a video.
Oh no, it's the vlog.
I was smiling the whole time.
That's okay. That's what people do on camera. I actually did that like all through the show, actually. I was just like smiling in between Rhett and Link. Oh, I can't say who it was, but don't worry about it.
Regis and Kelly.
Yeah. Yeah, good mythical morning with Regis and Kelly. They're gonna eat spider sushi. No, but thanks a lot, dog, for that delicious fried treat. And oh, check it out, guys. He gave me a copy of his cookbook, The Culinary Brodown. There's bacon in it. You wanna know how I know? It says it on the back there.
Please buy it. I'm trying to feed my cats organic food. It gets very expensive. Pockets has a specialty diet.
Guys, think about Pockets, all right? Not just his pocket. So I just finished filming with Rhett and Link, and it was awesome. And I can't show you anything about it, really. They even said that I don't mention it until it's coming out. But come on, Rhett and Link don't control me. I'll kill them. No, I'm kidding. They had an awesome set. I had an awesome time with them. I'll remind you guys again when it's going up. And actually, my April 1st announcement, I bumped it up a little bit to announce it on their show, since their show is, it's got traction, you know what I mean? And now I'm just chilling in the hotel. I got to prep for my filming tomorrow for Famous Food Trucks. It got picked up. That's why I'm in LA. And my boy Eric's coming to kick it. Maybe we'll have some drinks or something, chill, shoot the shit, see how it goes. Let's go kick his ass right now. What a dummy.
Oh my god.
What a dummy. 6'6", he doesn't even see me, this guy. Wow. Guys, I'm with Eric again. Over here, who always in my vlog, I'm always like, yo, it's Eric, what up?
Yeah. And then it cuts out.
Yeah, and then that's it. I'm like, yo, it's Eric. I'm with Eric. Boom, it's gone. You know, Meth Syndicate on Instagram. Hello. But imagine he comes over. Imagine I just come to LA all the time and fuck this guy. Yep. Like every time, like, yeah. So look back on all the vlogs. I'm like, yo, guys, Eric's here, and then we fuck after.
Then you gotta go back and rewatch these and be like, totally fucked. And then smile.
I'm about to fuck this kid. Yeah, look at his clips after. He looks like he smells like butt sex.
We're gonna go back to the hotel and rewatch these clips right now. And see what happens.
Exactly.
Cool.
Oh, it comes together in the edit. No, it doesn't. We come together in the edit. Uh-oh. With Eric right now, Hollywood Boulevard, trying our best not to touch anything gross, and there's gross shit everywhere.
The whole strip is disgusting.
Yeah, even this family we just walked by, they were so scummy. Like, yeah, they were like from...
It's the grossest Buffalo Wild Wings of all time.
Is that the grossest? I've never gone to Buffalo Wild Wings, and I almost always went into that one because it's the only one I ever come across.
The grossest one.
Why is it so gross?
Because they get slimy chicken.
Slimy chicken?
Slimy chicken, baby.
Like before it's cooked, it's slimy?
Yeah, right before it's cooked. But afterwards, it's delicious. Try it out. Buffalo Wild Wings.
Go to that scumbag restaurant right now. Get yourself some scum wings. All right. Not that happy about your do-rag, that's for sure. Will last a long time. Look at this guy, so happy with his do-rag. Deliciously cute. So I was just telling Eric in the room that after we banged, that the wrestling, I'm like, oh, it's different, man. When was the last time you watched it? He was like, maybe when Raw first started.
Yeah, definitely. And
I was like, no, it's better now. It's cool. It's like a little different. They got these new Japanese wrestlers. It's not like what you thought it was back in the day. Anyways, we turn it on and instantly it's like a whole like montage and moment dedicated to Kid Rock.
Kid fucking Rock.
Yeah, and I'm like,
as you can imagine, I got so excited. Kid Rock's in the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame. I personally cannot be more excited. We're gonna go out and celebrate tonight in memory of Kid Rock.
We're gonna ball with the ball out all night. We're gonna be ball with the ballers.
Rest in peace, Kid Rock.
Yeah, but he actually wasn't happy about it. It was a weird moment. And then when I found out Kid Rock's been involved with WWE for 20 years.
20 years.
20 years of Kid Rock. It sounds like interesting.
Like right off the bat, I guess. Right off the new metal bat, not the hip hop ICP Kid Rock, the new metal.
What is new short for in new metal?
No one knows.
Is that real? That NU, no one knows?
Dude, I don't know. I don't know. You gotta go in there.
Because new metal now is old. Okay, all right, see you soon. Here with some gaming athletes right now. I saw her wearing an Overwatch sweater. I saw the guys with her. I'm like, these guys play games. Some people you can look them in the face, you'd be like, you play games, don't you?
Is it my glasses?
It was just all of it. It was the ponytail, the beard, all of it together. I didn't know. I was like, was that guy their dealer or something? What's going on? You know,
he's a pimp.
Yeah, seriously, like, he's their Overwatch pimp. Where is he? Where are you? There you are. What's your team?
We don't have a team. Only YouTube channels.
Oh, what's the channel?
Players. Figgen and Figwhip.
UFO SXM.
Q Power.
And Chris Whippet.
Okay, well, I'm gonna have to go home and upstairs and check those out.
Learn some Swedish.
Yes, I have no plans tonight, so that's what I'm doing. These guys. Yeah, you don't know, but I'm gonna fall asleep tonight watching you guys.
Cool.
Weird, eh?
Yeah.
Not for me though, for you. Okay. Tyler, Mara, Team Canada, our honorary Canadian right now. Look at him. And hold on a second. I met Mara through Tyler.
Yeah.
Through me.
When was that?
2011, 12.
I was 12.
Yeah, she was 12 years old.
Yeah.
Almost 7 years.
It's crazy town.
I've known Tyler for like 8 years.
Longer, but whatever.
Yeah, he got me into a club. That's how we met. He was getting into a club and I went to this party.
Juice.
Yeah, and he saw me and he was like, hey bud, roll with me. And got me in. It was cool. Yeah.
You've been helping me ever since.
Yeah, not true. I haven't helped him once.
Not really, not once.
And then there's Eric.
We bumbled each other at the gathering of the Juggalos.
He was the bumbler and I was the bumbly.
When I saw his beard, I was like,
So we just left the spare room at the Roosevelt and it was bumping in there. It was awesome. It's really cool. It's like actually hidden behind a bookshelf to get in there, and there's like bowling alleys. It's got like a There Will Be Blood vibe. The DJ was nice. What was the DJ's name again?
Mike.
DJ Mike was sick. He was the best part, pumping tunes all night, and we fucking killed it there.
Look him up on Spotify, Mike.
Yeah, I mean after all that now, I feel like I gotta chill. So we just killed it in there. It was a good time. Played some Jenga, did some bowling, danced the night away. It was great. Actually, guys, I can't lie to you. I'm not that kind of content creator. We walked in there and we chugged the beer and we left. But we went in there because the DJ was hype, but he wasn't DJing, so we felt no obligation or loyalty to the cause of staying there.
He was sitting in a chair the whole time.
Yeah, he was on break, so we wanted to go and give some respect to DJ Mike. But we drank a beer and then I was like, DJ Mike, peace, and he was like, peace. Guys, look, it's Eric. He's so tired.
DJ Steve was playing, and we did not want that.
No, we didn't want none of DJ Steve.
DJ Steve sucked.
DJ Steve's a shady dude. That door hit you. Fuck that door up. Shit, you fucking with my boy? You fucking with my boy? Huh? Back the fuck up. Alright, true believers, make sure you leave me a comment in the comment section. I read every single one of them. And I'm gonna throw this vlog together right now. Throw it up. Watch me upload. That's stupid. What a shit way to end the vlog. Fuck. Alright, see you guys soon. Oh my god, look at these beautiful birds. Swans, baby. Swans, baby.